Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the Maths revision class of Standard 5. Today, we are going to revise the chapter 3, Large Numbers. So, in this chapter, we learned about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, then about Roman numbers, etc. Isn't it? So, we will discuss the concepts one by one. First one, the successor of a number. Children, do you remember what is the successor of a number? Yes, successor means the after number. Okay, to get the successor of a number, you can add 1 to the given number. Okay, so the successor of a given number is 1 more than the given number. And what is predecessor? Predecessor of a number is 1 less than the given number. That is the before number of the given number is the predecessor of that number. Now, next is Indian place value chart. Look at this chart, children. Here it shows ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. These are the places in a Indian place value chart. And just above these places mentioned are the periods. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. These three places comes under the period ones. 1,000 and 10,000 comes under thousands period. Lakh and 10 lakh comes under lakhs period. And crore and 10 crore are comes under crores period. Okay, and when we are writing the large numbers, it will be little bit difficult for us to read and write that number. That's why we are using the comma between the large numbers, right? And the way to put the comma is after each period you can put the comma. That means after one period, from the right side, after one period, you can put a comma. After thousands period, you can put a comma. And after lakhs period, you can put a comma. This way, you have to put comma in Indian place value. Okay, according to Indian place value. Is it clear, children? Okay. So, now we are moving to the next, and it is international system of numeration. So, let's check the international place value chart. Here, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay, this way the international place value system looks like. And the places ones, tens and hundreds, these three comes under the period ones, as same as in the Indian system. But from the next period onwards, there is a difference. And from the next period in Indian system, there is only two places in one period, isn't it? But here, the three places comes under each period. Okay, so here 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. These three comes under thousands period. Then million, 10 million and 100 million. These three comes under million period. Then next one is billion. Okay, so same as of Indian system, you can also put the comma in international system also to read and write the numbers easily. And here also you have to put the comma after each period. Okay, so look children, here all the periods are having three places. So you can put after each three digit the commas. Okay, so always remember from the right side you should start. And from the right side, after one's period, you can put a comma. And after thousands period, then after millions period, you can put a comma. Got it? Okay. And study well how to read and how to write the numbers in Indian system and both Indian system and international system. Okay. And in now some relations in Indian system and international system that we are going to discuss. That is, in Indian system, it is 1 lakh, isn't it? After 10,000, the place is 1 lakh. But look children, here in international place value chart, after 10,000, which number is coming? Yes, which place is that? That is 100,000, isn't it? That which shows 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh in Indian system is equal to 100,000 in international system. Got it? Now, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million and 1 crore is equal to 10 millions and 10 crores is equal to 100 millions and 100 crores is equal to 1 billion. Everyone by heart does. Okay. Alright. Now the next is the expanded form and arranging the largest number as ascending order. These all concepts are coming in this session. And here a number is said to be written in its expanded form when it is expressed as sum of the place values of the digits. You know how to write the expanded form of small numbers, right? Here these are large numbers. Okay. So you have to do this accordingly. So here the expanded form means writing the numbers with the writing each digit with the place value as the sum. Okay. So we can say that a number is said to be written in its expanded form when it is expressed as the sum of place values of its digits. For example, if I am taking a small number 326, then how we can write the expanded form? 300 plus 20 plus 6. The same way, you can arrange the numbers as the sum of its place values of each digit. Okay. So the question will ask with large numbers. So you should know how to answer that. Got it, children? Okay. Practice the questions of that type. Now, the next topic is ascending and descending order. We know what is ascending order. Arranging the number from smallest to the largest is called ascending order. So, you have to compare the large numbers and then you have to find out which is the smallest one and then arrange that in a order. That is ascending order. Now, arrangement of numbers from largest to the smallest is called descending order. Okay, practice with large numbers. Now, after these topics, we learned about Roman numerals, isn't it? What is Roman numeral? Yeah, Roman numeral is the number system which used by ancient Romans. Okay, now also we are using in some places these Roman numerals. And the important is there are 7 numerals in Roman number system. That is the basic symbols. That is 7 numerals are the basic symbols in Roman numerals and that are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the basic symbols and it has a value. The values in Hindu Arabic numerals are I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50 and C stands for 100, D for 500 and M shows 1000. Okay, and there are some rules also there and the rules are any symbol can be repeated only 3 times. Any symbol can be repeated only 3 times. If a symbol of lower value is placed after the symbol of a greater value, that value is added. Okay. If a symbol of lower value is placed after the symbol of a greater value, the values are added. And when it comes in the left side, that is, the value is subtracted. Okay. If a symbol of lower value is placed before the symbol of a greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from the greater one. Then V, L and D are never repeated in a number. V, L and D are never repeated in a number. And X can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. Then C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, so these are the important rules in Roman numerals, and you know how to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 100. And if the larger numbers are asking, then you can split up the Roman numbers and then you can write the number. Got it? Okay, so we already discussed so much workbook questions and all that. So everyone go through this all topics very well and study it all well. Got it, children? Alright, so I'm winding up for today. Thank you.